Hello, you're with Kathy, the Arty Mummy, and today we're into day 9 of our 365-day challenge. Our task today is to continue to add details to the feathers and leaves using line of this lovely parrot with a little bit of leaves and stuff around him. There's a couple of parts done for you already on this one, so I was kind of actually slightly irritated to have to go with the same style on parts of it to get it looking okay. But other than that, I actually found it quite sort of therapeutic to be going with these, or trying to make lots of sort of uniform lines in this sort of stylized way. So I did enjoy that aspect of it. And I think it was also really great practice for my watercolor development, I suppose you could say. Do sort of a whole 40 minutes it took me in total to do this one, of trying to just get even consistency, fine lines in the various colours. So I think that was actually quite a good exercise for me. I did find it a little bit challenging in some parts, mostly just because of the thickness of the book and having to sort of hold your hand off the page rather than sort of lean on it. But other than that, I did really enjoy this one. It was really a no-thinking kind of painting to do, because most of it's done for you and it's just adding lines. But I think it's a really good exercise. So if you did this one, or if you did something similar, please let me know what you thought and how you went with it, whether you struggled with getting those even stylized lines or not. And one little tip is to make sure that you've got plenty of moisture in your paint, but not so much that you're going to end up with pools, because if you don't have enough paint on your brush or enough moisture in your brush, you're not going to get that brush to glide evenly over the paper. And if you have too much, you're going to end up with puddles. So it does take just a little bit of practice to get that even consistency. But once you've got that down, it was really quite a nice exercise. So again, if you're enjoying these videos, please like and subscribe. And thank you for joining me today. Bye-bye. And what's your favourite time to paint? I know this is mine, when they're all snoring their little heads off. No.